Hello everyone and welcome to Camping and Outdoor Stuff. I'm Snert. Today I've got something that's arrived in the post. I'm very excited to see this. This is so cute. It is the Petromax FT 0.5T, the smallest Dutch oven in the range. They do them 0.5, 1, 3, 4.5, 6, 9, 12 and 18, which is enormous. 18 litres. You could fill an entire scout trip with that. Anyway, this is the FT 0.5, the smallest one, and I had to buy it because it was like so small and cute. So let's have a look what it looks like in the box. It's very lovely. Right, you get the usual Dutch oven user manual. This is not going to feed a family of 6. This one, by any stretch of the imagination. The lid, look how the size of that. It's not much bigger than my hand. The lid for it. Bit of packing. And the Dutch oven itself. It's like all the other Dutch ovens. It has the little thermometer slot in it. I get the ones without the feet because these will go on my induction hob at home, whereas the ones with the feet, they don't work on the induction hob. So that's the only reason for buying them without the feet. The flat ones, in my opinion, will fit on anything. They'll go in the oven, they'll go on an induction hob, they'll go on an electric hob, electric ring, gas, open fire, campfire, briquettes on top and bottom, etc. So this is a little baby. It's like about half a litre with the lid and a little notching for the thermometer as well with a little arrow on. FT 0.5. I have thought about buying one for every member of the family. Stick a stew in the oven, come back home, serve them up on the table with it. You can make individual pies with a like crusty top, pastry top. Wonderful little thing. Like all the rest of the Dutch oven range, pre-season, you can use it straight away. Give it a bit of a rinse out, dry it off, and off you go. Excellent piece of kit. I can't wait to try it out. I have to find something to cook in it now. It's small enough. But it's so cute. So I bought one. I hope you enjoy the video so far, and if you are, don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate that. Thanks very much, and thanks very much for watching. See you again soon.